The exact dimensions of the ark are not known since there are conflicting reports about them. Some say that the ark was 300 cubits long, 50 cubits wide, and 30 cubits high, while others say that these measurements are inaccurate and that the actual dimensions of the ark were 300 cubits long, 50 cubits wide, and 30 cubits high. 1 cubit is equal to 18 inches, which means that the ark could have been between 450 and 500 feet long. Either way, it was definitely large enough to carry two of every animal, as well as all of the food that they would need to survive for months. When God instructed Noah to build an ark, he gave him very specific instructions about how to construct it. God told him to make it out of gopher wood, which is thought to have been a type of cedar tree that grew in the mountains of Lebanon. The ark was to be sealed with pitch inside and out, which is a thick, sticky substance that is made by boiling the juice of certain plants. The pitch would have helped to waterproof the ark and keep the animals dry during the flood. God instructed Noah to divide the ark into three sections or decks. The lower deck was to be divided into two rooms, one for the animals and one for the supplies. The middle deck was to be used by Noah, his sons, and their wives. The top deck was to be used for storing grain, oil, figs, and other perishables. Another interesting fact about the ark is that it had windows. These were probably small openings near the top of the ark that allowed light to enter and air to circulate. They also likely served as air vents for the animals. But what about the doors? There is some debate over where the door to the ark was located. Some believe that it was on the side, while others believe that it was in the upper part of the front of the ark. We don't really know which one is right, but it doesn't really matter. What's important is that Noah knew where the door was and how to open it.